Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. So in this video I will be unboxing two of the new phones which I'm going to restore later on. So today I will check those phones. Let's see what we are getting. So although this package is really big, but we are having only two phones here and both of them are dead actually. So let's see if we can fix them or not. Maybe we can't fix them today, but later on I will use them as the part. So both of them are actually Nokia Lumias. As you know, I always buy Nokia Lumias. So let's open it. This package is disgustingly packed, but anyway, we just need our phones, not the package. Let's open it. So it's quite difficult to open this package actually. I don't know what they used. Okay, we have opened it. Okay, so let's take out the package from this side. So we got the package, what you can see. So let's open this. So I bought both of them from actually Facebook Marketplace, and I paid only $3 for these two phones, $3 or $4. So let's see what we are getting with these phones. As you can see, so one of them is Lumia 900, I think. As you can see, buttons are work really fine actually. So we will plug in this phone. Oh, it's missing its SIM tray, and I don't know what it is missing right now, but it don't have the SIM tray here. Later on I have to find one SIM tray if I fix this phone. And we have Lumia 520. I don't know it has battery or not. Let's see. So it does have battery, but I don't know why the seller said it doesn't work. So let's plug these phones and check. So I will be using my magnetic cable. Let's plug these two phones. So both of them dead, the seller said. So no offense if they don't turn on. So this phone actually looks very good. As you can see, it is in quite good condition. Maybe the battery is dead. Let's try with another battery. So I do have a spare battery here. Okay, let's try with this battery. So this battery does work. Maybe it has some other issue. Oh, it's vibrated actually. Okay, our Lumia is turning on. So it's showing O2. I have never seen this kind of screen on Nokia Lumia before. You can comment below if you get something like this. I don't know why it has O2 logo. So as you can see here, our Lumia is working. Lumia. So if any of this work, that means my money is okay. It's not going to be vain. So I paid only $4 nearly for these two phones actually. So now let's try to open. I really want this phone to work, but I don't know it will work or not. Maybe the battery on this phone also bloated or died already. So let's see how long it takes. As for now, our Lumia is, yeah, it's, the display has some problem, I think. Maybe no, display has, the touch is working just fine. Yes, everything works fine actually, I think. Oh, it's running on Windows 8. It's running on Windows 8, not in 8.1. As you can see, it's not updated. So the language is Thai right now. Maybe I can show you, although I can't read actually. So Windows Phone, okay, I can see. So it's running on Windows 8.0. So hopefully you can see that. So it's running on 8.0, not 8.1. So it's really, I think I will keep this one as 8.0 because I don't have any 8.0 phones which is running on 8.0. So maybe, okay, the camera is working or not. Yeah, yes, I got a quite good phone actually on this price. Maybe I will use this phone for some time and it's working just fine. Hopefully you can see it, and it's just working fine. So I'm thinking that this phone will work. Maybe the battery is dead. Maybe I need to disassemble this phone and try to figure out what's going on inside. As for now, I can't see any signs of life. Let's try to turn it on. So I don't see anything here. Maybe I need to plug it in for a long time. I can't see even I think the Lumia 900 doesn't have any light on the soft navigation button, but as for now this phone is quite good condition, but anyhow it's missing the SIM tray here. Maybe I need to buy one SIM tray also if I will to fix this phone. So as for now this phone is working. Let's try its charges or not. Maybe the charging port is bad, that's why but it's charging. So I need to top up this battery. So we got a good battery also maybe. So I have an universal charger, so I will use this one to charge my battery for first time, then I can use the phone. So the display is quite good actually, it's not bad on this phone. So let's try to turn off let me try the brightness. I don't know how to turn on brightness on right now because I can't read this language, but anyway it's working. That's it for, and every button works, camera also works, and maybe the SIM tray is broken or not. I can see SIM tray is also okay. So whenever I find this kind of phone, most of them I get with this broken SIM tray. But as for this phone, everything is working fine, and the buttons does work actually. So camera button does not work. Yeah, it worked right now. So as you can see, the camera is open. Let's see, it's yeah, it's working. Camera button is working just fine, and volume up down, yep, quite good condition actually. This phone, I think that's the user didn't use this phone for a long time, as I can see from here, because it's running on 8.0 and it has some weird something O2 priority moments. I think it's from maybe some companies, those they give to their company members or those who are working there. So that's why this phone has some weird apps. So this phone is working just fine, so I'm really happy of this purchase, but I really want this phone to work. It's quite heavy and this phone is very strong phone actually. So maybe I will disassemble this phone and try to figure out what's going on, and I will make a separate video about this phone, trying to fix this phone, or maybe I will buy a battery for this phone. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time.